Are you that one noob who can't play Roblox Volleyball Legends on mobile? Well, I got you. So, I'm going to teach you all these things. And before we start the video, I'm going to teach you. Make sure to like and subscribe. And that helped me a lot. If you want to become a volleyball pro, make sure to like and subscribe. And these are all these settings. You got the ability, style, and all that. If you got a touch, oh, the game has ended. I didn't know that. Well, we just go for a spin. You guys can spin if you're new. Spinning gets you like the power-ups. It's like a power-up. These are all these power-ups. You can also unlock abilities, but style. And you can get codes and all that. So yeah, these are all these settings. You can go and like lock or unlock, and it's about to open. You can touch, and these are all the servers, like AFK, the wizard, and like the areas, the card patch. Then now we go into the game. Let's go, bro. What the? Alright, let me see if I can unlock like a lucky spin or something like that. Oh, lucky spins also get you better power-ups or like styles. We call these styles. You can click on them to get increased chance and see what characters are there. So there's, I want to get the Uaga or Kaimu. Ooh, wait. I want to unlock level 15. So I'm going to go try hard if I can. Alright. So yeah. I have a block, bump, dive, jump, serve is bad. Alright. Oh, bro, I got the noobiest one. Wait, I got the rare back. Nah, bro. Well, so you can also spin for the abilities if you want to. Yeah, abilities also like in the middle of your screen. You can click on them to get a better power up. It's like a double power up. Oh, I got super sprint. Again. Wait, chances for 0, gravity set have slightly increased. Let's go, chat. Just kidding. And you can also go into your inventory and then change the things you want to like get a new style of ball. If you upgrade, like be better. And these are the servers. There's more servers. And you can claim awards. Wait, I got a lucky spin. For the levels. Yo, no way. I got a rare. Let's go. I got a rare. And now let me check if now let me go into a game. I meant to say I got a legendary. And these are all the moves. Bump, set, dive, jump. Jump is like a good. Jump is obvious. You know how to. Mobile users know how to do it. Bump is like shooting the ball upwards in volleyball. You know how you shoot the ball upwards, but it goes along front like you bump it to the other side of the net. But set is like you throw it in the air and then spike that thing. Spiking is like shooting straight like with all force. And diving is like it's always about to touch the ground and you can like lay instead of like jump. Like yeah. This dude's serving. Whatever he just did, the game spawned him at that position. He can move around and walk. Yeah, that is called a serving. Wait, now I'm serving. Gotta first click the toss if you want to serve. Aim for the purple. Purple is like the full power. And then jump and then spike. Tap spike, like tap all the. Boom. Oh wait, they saved it. Is it like? Let's go! I scored with them. Like assist from solo leveling. Now I'm serving again. See, I can move around. After a toss, I can still move around. Boom. Well, guys, I forgot to mention, whenever you spike, make sure to wait at least 2 seconds before you spike the ball. Bump. I just bumped it. Let's go. No. only wait 2 seconds when you're like serving. Don't wait 2 seconds when you're like spiking originally. Like when you have to spike it. Like you're forced to spike in that situation. Don't wait 2 seconds. Nice set. Oh, bro, they saved it. They saved it. No, no, no. No, no, no. Bro. Are you serious right now? Are you serious right now? Oh, I saved it, I saved it, I saved it. Boom. A block? No, this isn't a block. Spike that thing. Let's go. I'm also going to be teaching y'all how to use the set and the dive on mobile. I didn't forget it. And if you jump, there's way more functions. If you jump, there's a jumping set and a block. And there's also a spiking one. I love the block, it's OP. The block and the block and the set, the block and the spike are OP. All these functions are actually OP. The most OP one I probably think is the set one. Yeah, or the bump one. The bump and the set is like similar. So yeah, bump and setting is I meant to say one, but like yeah, they're the most OP one. Once you practice this game enough, you'll know how to practice and strategize this game. Let's go over winning. I'm on the home team. There's 2 teams, by the way, and I'm on the home team because of the shirt color and the home team title color. I'm serving again. Let me get an angle. Aim for the 1, 2, boom. See, that's a perfect one. No, bro, I hate this. I don't hate it. It's okay. I can clutch up. We'll clutch up. It's only 7-14. We have 7 more. We have times 2 of their points. And this is called super sprint. I just unlocked it from the abilities. Like you can go super speedy. I just blocked it. I just blocked it. I just blocked it. I really just blocked it. Did y'all just see that? I blocked it. How to do the block. I dived. I just dived. This is how to do the dive. Click the dive when you're about to, like, I just dived. See, that's how you dive. Tap the dive button. No, this dude's serving. Oh no! And remember guys, don't walk in the line when you're serving. Don't walk in the line when you're serving. Oh man, they almost got out of the bounds. Hit it out the line. That means you hit it out the bounds and they have a point. You can't hit it out the line when you're serving, but you can't go in the line either. Alright. Wait. We have to win. Are we home team or wait? I think we're home, yeah. Let's go redemption arc. Nice set redemption arc. Boom. Oh wait, they missed. Did I miss? Wait, it's hard one. Boom, they scored on him. But now he's serving. Let's go. Okay, he's serving. Boom. Bro, this dude seriously hit it out of bounds. You guys can't hit it out the line. Or you can't walk in the line either when you're serving. I just blocked. Bumped. See? I just bumped it. I just bumped it to the other side. I just dived. No, I didn't dive. I thought I dived. Let's go, bro. Scored. He's serving. I mean, she's serving. Or he's serving. Oh, he's a he. I think so. Bro, this dude is cracked. And now I'm serving. I'll show these pockets who I am. 3, 2, boom. I meant 1, 2, boom. No! Alts. Bro. It's okay. He's okay. He's okay. We just need 2 more points and we win. Bruh. Let's go, bro. Hit it out the bounds. Come on, bro. You gotta lock in. I just blocked it. Let's go. Alright. Let's go. We won. Alright. If this video was helpful, please make it a like and subscribe even soon. Bye. Peace.